Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can limit interactions on Instagram. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So all you need to do is open up Instagram, click on your profile icon on the bottom right, and click on the three lines on the top right. Once you're on here, scroll down until you see limit interactions. So you want to click on that. And this will just give you a few options, so you can select what will be limited. So you can select some interactions or most interactions. You can obviously read through that, see which one suits you best. Then you can select who will be limited. This will give you a few options as well. So everyone but your close friends, you can obviously toggle that on and edit your list, who you want on there. You can select recent followers, obviously toggle that on or off. And the same with accounts that don't follow you. Again, you can toggle that on or off. You can also go on when we'll remind you to turn this off. And you can select a certain amount of days or a certain amount of weeks. So whatever you want to do on there. Then select done. And then underneath turn on, it'll just let you know. We won't let people know you've turned this on. So obviously just click on turn on. And that will limit interactions on Instagram for you. Thanks for watching.